Indian Army is all set to enthrall the Indians for Kartavya Path Republic Day Parade, and I have with me the guards, the brigade of the guards that are practicing for a march past on the occasion of Republic Day, and we have 6 different contingents from the Indian Army this time. Let's ask them how they are preparing and what it goes to be a part of this Republic Day marching contingent at Kartavya Path. Sir, a very warm welcome on India Today.
Thank you so much.
Tell us about how you have prepared, what it means for you all to be a part of this glorious parade.
So we are Brigade of the Guards contingent. So we have been practicing from last 4-5 months, for around 3 months in our center. That is Guards Regimental Center in Kamptee, Nagpur. And for around a month or so we have been practicing in Delhi. So since it is a drill competition, so we feel that all 6 contingents have given their hard work, their sweat and blood. But definitely we have that confidence, we have a legacy to follow because our contingent has won the best marching contingent a lot of times in the history. So we have a legacy to follow and make our ancestors proud and a lot to look up to. So for us, we have been practicing, the boys have given a great amount of hard work for it, and not just the boys who are marching on the ground, even the instructors who are there. Like I do have instructors from Indian Military Academy who have been there. So he is Subedar G.S. Tripathi and Subedar Arun Tripathi. So both these instructors have trained them for 4-5 months. So it's kind of, we are confident and great feeling for all of us.
साहब आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे क्योंकि सिर्फ मार्च पास्ट ही नहीं होता है, आपका पूरा अटायर, आपकी ड्रेस, आपका बैरे, हर कुछ एकदम ठीक ठाक होना चाहिए, आपका हथियार ठीक होना चाहिए. कितनी मेहनत लगती है और आप क्योंकि लगातार ड्रिल उस्ताद हैं, आप लगातार सिखा रहे हैं, कितना मुश्किल काम है ये और कितना अनुशासन मांगता है?
मैम एक्चुअली में जो हमारा ड्रेस है इसको तैयार करने में बहुत समय लगता है बिकॉज हमारे ब्रासो वर्क सबसे ज़्यादा हैं और पूरी इंडियन आर्मी में जो गार्ड्स रेजिमेंट है एक महानतम रेजिमेंट मानी गई है जिसका ड्रेस सबसे अव्वल दर्जे का है, तो इसे तैयार करने में हमें काफ़ी समय लगता है. जी मैम.
कितनी बड़ी बात है, गर्व की बात है, पूरा देश ही नहीं पूरी दुनिया आपको देख रही होगी जब आप कर्तव्य पथ पे होंगे.
बहुत गर्व की बात है कि हम इस कर्तव्य पथ पे पहले भी आए हैं और अभी भी आए हैं और हमारा मोटो भी यही है, पहला हमेशा पहला.
पहला हमेशा पहला. So that is the spirit of all these marching contingents of the Indian Army who are a part of this glorious Republic Day Parade 2025. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Sanjeev Kumar for India Today from New Delhi.